Hi, my name is Dipankar, and I was also referred by Sandeep. And today's session was really nice. The first session on retirement, that was actually an eye opener. So we all are earning and we are saving, but I don't think we have linked our savings to the goals, and which is really important for us right now. So the first session was really important, and the second session in which we have used the tool created by you guys, and that tool is giving us a real reflection of what we are or where we are standing right now and where we want us to improve. And that is really nice, and I think it will help us in structuring our financial life to make it better. Thank you.